Hello friends, in this video I will share the technical analysis of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Solana and Cardano. Before starting the technical analysis, it is a friendly reminder that this video is just for education and it is not an investment advice. So let's begin the technical analysis. I have opened the chart of Bitcoin against the USDC. So if we discuss the Bitcoin on 1 day time frame, if we talk about its trend, the major trend of Bitcoin is uptrend, but currently it is consolidating. So the support for this consolidation is 89,000 and the resistance for this consolidation zone is 1,800 393. So this is the resistance for this consolidation zone. So if you want to make a new investment in Bitcoin for midterm to long term, you need to make sure the prices either come at the support level, that is 89,000. If the prices come at the 89,000, then you can go for a new investment into this, but you need to make sure you need to make sure that you get an other confirmation along with this support level. So if you get other confirmation like huge buying volumes at this level, then you can definitely go for new buying in Bitcoin at these levels. And if the scenario changes and prices like start moving upwards from this level, current levels, and they give a breakout level above the 108,394 level, then you will not wait for the prices to come at this support level. You will simply go into buying on the new breakout level, that will be around 108,500 level. If the prices give a breakout above this level, then you can definitely go for buying at this level, even without waiting for prices to come down to the 89,000 level. So if you are holding the Bitcoin for midterm to long term and you want to know about its stop loss, the stop loss for Bitcoin will be around 89,000. If the Bitcoin give closing below 89,000 in near future, then you definitely need to exit from the Bitcoin. So this is the strategy for midterm to long term. If we discuss it for the short term, then I will open the chart on 1 hour time frame. And if we discuss Bitcoin for short term, and if I talk about its trend, the trend for short term is sideways. So the price will just move within a support and a resistance zone. The support zone for Bitcoin for short term is 94,700. It is a support level for Bitcoin for short term, and the resistance is at 98,500. Currently price is coming closer to the support level, that is around 94,700. If you want to make a buying position for short term, then you can definitely go for buying around this level. But you need to make sure that prices come at a 94,700 level and you get another confirmation for buying, like high buying volumes or other indication on any kind of indicator. Then you can definitely go for buying for short term in Bitcoin around 94,000 level, and the stop loss will be below the level of 94,000. So if you make a buying around 94,700 level, your first target will be around 96,500, and your final target for short term it will be around 98,500, and you can expect a profit of around 4% for short term. So it is a pretty good profit if you even just trade in the spot segment. If you guys do trading in the future segment, then you need to make sure that your risk is under control and you can take margin as much as you want. And if you can properly manage your risk, then you can take your margin according to your risk capacity. So I will not go into that discussion. So now I will discuss the Ethereum. If I open, I need to open the chart of Ethereum against the USDC. So I need to open this chart on 1 day time frame. So if we discuss Ethereum on 1 day time frame, the trend for Ethereum is a sideways trend. So the prices will just move within a support and a resistance level. the support for Ethereum for midterm to long term is at 2100 level, and the resistance is at 4100 level. So these 2100 is the support level, and 4100 is the resistance level. If you guys want to buy it for midterm to long term, you need to make sure that prices come around 2100 and you get a second confirmation, then you can definitely go for buying around this level. And you need to keep stop loss around 2000 level. And if the prices doesn't come to the support level, that is around 2100 level, and the prices start just simply start going upwards, and they give a breakout above the 4100 level, that is the resistance for midterm to long term, then you can definitely go for new buying even above even on closing above the 4100 level. So at that level, after that breakout level that will be above the 4100 level, then you will not wait for prices to come back to the support level, that is 2100. Then you can simply just buy above the 4100 level. So that will be your investment strategy for midterm to long term. And if we look at the chart, and I will discuss about this candle that was made on 3rd of Feb. So the low of this candle, the lowest week of this candle made the lowest level of 2100. So we can say like the prices has touched this 2100 level, so they might start they now might start going upwards to the resistance level, that is 4100. But to make the market more like comfortable for investors, so this is just a week at this level. So lots of investors and traders have missed opportunity for buying around this 2100 level. So the market might become stable and it come further down and touch this level, that is around the 2100 level, then it can give you opportunity for buying around the 2100 level. But you need to make sure that you put a stop loss before below 2100 level, because if the prices gives closing below 2100 level, then it will simply break a sideways trend and it will enter into downtrend, and you will just keep it on holding for longer term and you will get nothing in return. So that is so you can face a big loss in that scenario. So if we discuss it for short term, I will open it on a 1 hour time frame. So for 1 hour time frame, it is trend has changed to uptrend from sideways trend. It had a resistance around 2800 level. So, but on this candle it gave closing at 2826 level. So it is successful at this break at this level. But after that breakout, other candles just simply started coming back to this sideways zone. So that is a risky scenario. So we can say that this breakout level is just has a low probability to achieve its target, but we still have its target. If you want to go for buying into Ethereum for short term, then you can simply buy around it at around at its current prices, that are around 2700. I'm discussing it on 1 hour time frame. So time will keep on changing, and the candles will keep on changing on the like in live market. So you need to make sure you can manage your own trade for short term. So, but if you go for buying, then the buying level will be around at 2700. The stop loss will be below 2600 level, and the first target will be around 2800, and the final target will be around 3000 levels. So these two levels will be the targets for Ethereum for short term. So the next coin is Binance coin. So I need to open this chart. I have opened the chart of Binance Coin BNB against the USDC. If we discuss it for midterm to long term, and then I need to discuss it on 1 day time frame. Currently, it is moving in a rising channel formation, where the support for BNB coin is around 500 and around 500, and its resistance is around 820 level. So this will be its upcoming resistance level for midterm to long term. People those are holding this for midterm to long term. 800 will the area around the 800 will be the best level to book your profits. So if we discuss it on mid for short term, so before discussing short term, the stop loss for investors, those are holding it for midterm to long term, you need to make sure that you put a stop loss below 500 level. If it gives closing below 500, then it will simply break this sideways trend and it will enter into its downtrend. Then you can get stuck into BNB coin for a longer time, for a long time. So you need to make sure that you don't forget to put stop loss below 500 level. So if we discuss it on 1 hour time for short term, so BNB is currently moving in a sideways trend where it has given a breakout level around. It was moving in sideways trend, and it just given a breakout above at this level, that is a 670 level, and currently its prices are moving at 667 level. So these are simply close to the breakout level. But if you want to go for buying, if you want to go into buying into BNB coin, so it is simply just moving into sideways. So we cannot exactly predict its prices, but is expected. If you want to go for buying, you need to make sure that it gives closing above the. I need to remove these uh, drawings because this trade setup is just not viable now. So if you want to go for buying into BNB, so you simply need to make sure that it gives closing above 680 level. If it gives closing above 680 level, then you can simply go into buying BNB for short term. Then you can get enough profits for the short term, and the stop loss for short term will be below the 650 level. The next coin is the Solana. So let's discuss the Solana on the chart. So first, I will discuss it on 1 day time frame for midterm to long term. So if we discuss the trend of Solana, it is in its sideways trend where the prices will simply move within a support and resistance zone. The support for Solana for midterm to long term is at 168, and the resistance is at 264. If you want to buy it for midterm to long term, then the prices are very close to its support level, that is 168 level. If prices touch this level, then you can go for buying into Solana, but you need to make sure that you get another confirmation like heavy buying volumes at this support level, and you need to put a stop loss below 165. So you can go for buying at this level. If it gives closing below 168, then it will simply break its sideways trend and it will enter into its downtrend. So then you need to manage your trade accordingly. Like you can open your short positions as well if you want to do short selling in it. So if we discuss it for the short term, so it is moving in it's a downtrend for short term. This is the signal that I shared in my Telegram group. So Telegram group is just a free of cost group. If you want to get timely breakout and breakdown alerts like this one that I have shown at my charts now, so you can join our Telegram and Facebook groups. So these are free of cost groups. Their links are given in the description. So if we discuss it on a 1 hour time frame, for shorter term, it was in its downtrend. It gave a breakdown at 189 level. So this was a level where you can where you could do short selling in it, and its target was around first target was at 181. That was achieved at these candles, and this final target was around 175, and it has almost achieved its final target, because the low of this candle was if we see on the chart, the exact level the lowest level was 174 level. So it exactly has achieved its final target for short term. So if you are holding it for shorter term and you are stuck and now you are stuck into this share, then it can give you a chance, and its prices can go on upside, and they can touch 185 level. So this could be your best exit level if you want to get exit from this coin. So this could be your best exit level. So this was the strategy for the short selling, and the signal has already achieved its final target. So if you want to get timely breakout or breakdown alerts like this one, you can simply join our Telegram group. It is a free of cost group. The link of that group is given in the video description. So the next coin is Cardano. So I need to open this chart. Well, if we discuss the Cardano for mid-term to long-term, its prices are moving in falling channel formation, where the resistance is at uh, 1.04 and its support is at 0.5450. So these are the support and resistance level. If you want to uh, uh, go for buying into Cardano for mid-term to long-term, you need to make sure that you get prices closer to the support level, that is around 0.5423 level. If you get prices around at this level, you can definitely go for buying into Cardano, but you need to make sure that you get another confirmation before you go into buying for mid-term to long-term. And you need to put a stop loss below 0.50 level. So this will be your stop loss for mid-term to long term, and your target will be around 0.86. It will be your first target, and your final target will be around the resistance of this channel formation, that will be around 1.045 level. So this will be your resistance. And if we discuss it for shorter term, so even even for the short term, it is moving within a channel formation, where the support of this channel is at point 0.7668. If you want to buy for short term, you can buy at this level, 0.7668, and you need to put a stop loss below 0.7989. So this will be your stop loss level, and your first target will be around your first target will be around uh, 0.8076, and your final target will be around the resistance of this channel, that will be around 0.8470. So this will so these will be the levels for a short term trade. So I hope you have liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel so you don't miss any informative content like this. That's all for now. So see you in next video.